In this video, we'll talk about the confidence interval calculation. This will go into the confidence interval section of the write-up, and the confidence interval will also be two-sided. Like with the two-sided t-test, I'll enter here the values that you'll need to calculate and show you what that looks like. Okay, here are the results of those calculations. And everyone should end up with exactly the same critical value. So that is dependent on our alpha and n, which are the same for everybody. The other calculations will be slightly different for each person, although they'll be approximately similar. In this case, you'll also include a screenshot of this section of your Excel in your document, your write-up, and you'll also need to reference these specific values separately in your write-up when you're interpreting what the confidence interval means. Again, each of these four must be an Excel formula in your Excel file. And note that for a couple of these, you're referencing also calculations from up here from the two-sided t-test calculation.